Happy morning, students. Last class we have seen about Unit 1 measurement, Mortis measurement, physical quantities, SI system of units, Vernier caliper, screw gauge, etc. We have discussed. Now let's see about what is chemistry and the branches of chemistry. So chemistry is the branch of science. It is study about the properties, functions, structures of matter and the changes it undergoes. So, chemistry is the branch of science. It is study about the properties, functions of matter and the changes undergoes. Changes undergoes. There are 5 main branches of chemistry. First one is organic chemistry. Second one is inorganic chemistry. Third one is analytical chemistry. Fourth one is physical chemistry. Fifth one is biochemistry. So let's see about one by one. First one is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon and its compounds. There are 6 million organic compounds there. It is used to make a new things. Organic chemistry is also known as carbon chemistry. Organic chemistry is also known as carbon chemistry. Because the study of carbon and its compounds, so it is called as carbon chemistry. There are sub-branches of organic chemistry. First one is medicinal chemistry. First one is medicinal chemistry. The second one is organometallic chemistry. Organometallic chemistry. Third one is polymer chemistry. Third one is polymer chemistry. Fourth one is physical organic chemistry. Physical organic chemistry. Fifth one is stereochemistry. These are the sub-branches of organic chemistry. First one is medicinal chemistry, second one is organometallic chemistry, third one is polymer chemistry, fourth one is physical organic chemistry, fifth one is stereochemistry. So organic chemistry is the study of carbon and its compounds, so it is known as carbon chemistry. The next one is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is the study of compounds but do not covered by organic chemistry. The study of inorganic compounds are compounds but which do not contain a carbon-hydrogen bond. But do not contain a carbon-hydrogen bond. Many inorganic compounds are those which contain metal, involves all elements and chemical reaction. These inorganic compounds make a microchips for computers. Microchips for computers. Microchips for computer. So there are sub-branches of inorganic chemistry. So there are sub-branches of inorganic chemistry. The first one is bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry. The second one is geochemistry. The third one is nuclear chemistry. The fourth one is organometallic chemistry. Organometallic chemistry. Fifth one is solid state chemistry. Solid state chemistry. The sub-branches are: first one is bioinorganic chemistry, second geochemistry, third nuclear chemistry, fourth organometallic chemistry, fifth one is solid state chemistry. The next one is analytical chemistry. It is studied about what chemical composition are made in the materials or matter. It is a study of the separation, identification and quantification of the chemical components of natural and artificial materials. So, the analytical chemistry involves the qualitative and quantitative determination of the chemical components of substance. So, the analytical chemistry studied about the what chemical composition are made by the matter or composed. The next one is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry relies on a lot of physics and maths. So, it is study the rate of a chemical reaction, the interaction of molecules with radiation, and the calculation of structures and properties, how the shape of a non-living matter and how that affects matter at the visible scale. So, physical chemistry is the study of the rate of chemical reaction, that interaction of molecules with radiation and the calculation of structures and properties. So there are sub-branches of physical chemistry. First one is photochemistry. Photochemistry. The second one is surface chemistry. The third one is chemical chemistry, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics chemistry. There are three sub-branches of physical chemistry. First one is photochemistry. Second one is surface chemistry. Third one is chemical kinetics chemistry. The last one is biochemistry. The biochemistry is the study of the chemistry in biological process of all living organisms. So how to digest you and how to form cancer and how to protect. So this is this biochemistry, the study of the chemistry in biological process of all living organisms. The biochemical research for included cancer and stem cell biology, infections, disease and cell membrane and the structural biology. There are sub-branches of biochemistry. The first one is molecular biology. Molecular biology. The next one is genetics. Third one is biochemical pharmacology. Biochemical pharmacology. The next one is clinical biochemistry. Clinical biochemistry. The last one is agricultural biochemistry. Agriculture agricultural biochemistry. These are the sub-branches of biochemistry: molecular biology, genetics, biochemical pharmacology, clinical biochemistry, agricultural biochemistry. These are the sub-branches of biochemistry. Now we have discussed about what is chemistry and the branches of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science studied about the structure and the properties of matter and it is changes and undergoes. There are 5 main branches of chemistry. First one is organic chemistry. Second one is inorganic chemistry. Third one is analytical chemistry. Fourth one is physical chemistry. Fifth one is biochemistry. Thank you.